Is it just me, or did Pinterest get a facelift recently? I haven't logged into Pinterest on my computer in a while, and I did the other day, and a lot of things look different. So I thought we'd look around together and see what changed and what hasn't. All right, so let's check this out. There's some all this new stuff in here when I came in the other day. This is not new stuff. This is me setting up a shop, which I am so excited to do over here on Pinterest. But let's go ahead and actually look at what we have in the hub. To be honest, it's been a minute since I've come in here because now that I've automated my Pinterest marketing process without having to actually go into Pinterest, I've only gone into Pinterest on my phone as a user. I haven't been paying very much attention to the business hub, which I know is bad of me. I should absolutely be doing this more often. But I thought we'd kind of look around. So I see I see some new settings up here where we're talking about trends. So this is kind of interesting. And then of course we could promote if we wanted to, but let's see what does it have on the next one. Trends and grow. This is when I was getting ready for my branding shoot. Trends in dancing. Oh wow, that's an old post I did. That's old too. Okay, but this is kind of cool because this is letting me know. Oh, I think maybe this isn't so much new, but newer because I started the process of becoming a shop on Pinterest. And so it's assuming, probably rightly so, that I might start running ads at some point. And so it's letting me know, like, of the pins that I have, which ones are like hitting current trends and what potential audience size I could have if I promoted it. That's very interesting. Okay. And then performance. I have to say, I'm like still so in awe that this pin, I'm going to click on this because this just always just still gets me. I pinned this pin, gosh, I don't even know how long ago now, like over a year easily, maybe even over 2 years. And it's still getting impressions and pin clicks now. This is one of the reasons why I love Pinterest and YouTube for my business more than Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that, because these things just keep going. You know what I mean? Like they don't just disappear the way they do on socials. Okay, but let's look in here. Now I'm super curious to see if I did. Let's just do like last 180 days because I don't think you can do all time in here. Although that would be cool. So even in the last 180 days, it's gotten this much traffic when this pin is from so long ago. I just love that. Okay. So then let's go back to our business. Oh yeah, see there were all these new settings and things up here they've got like business manager if you have a VA or a Pinterest marketing person helping you out. They have that in here which is cool. I think some of this though is because like I said I'm starting to become a verified shop and so maybe that's why some of this is appearing. But let's look at conversion insights. I'm very curious. Oh, this is part of that same thing, I think. If we have organic, paid assist, paid unassisted, I don't even know what that means. What would be the difference? Oh, this is shop related. So I can't really see any of this yet because I don't have my shop set up yet. Okay, so let's go back to our business hub. And we've got grow your reach, Pinterest Academy. Okay, so this is all just trying to sell ads to me. Okay. What about if we go to our home feed? Okay, so then what happened to like I can see all of these are like my boards and like suggesting ideas, but it used to be that I could see my saved pins and my created pins, but now how do I see that now? Because if you go to explore, oh, oh, this is cool. So this, I guess, refreshes every day. I mean, this is more for me as a user, not as a business owner, but this is kind of cool. I love that there's a book club version of it. That is something I could maybe leverage for the podcast. But I mean, is this just pictures of people reading books? I guess. Huh. See, there's just a lot of things, I guess just aesthetic. So it is just pictures of people reading. Oh, that's cute. It's like it's her face. That's funny. Um, but yeah, like what are you like I always think of Pinterest as a place to go to learn things. I don't totally get what you would be learning from this, but I mean they're interesting. Okay, but then let's go back. Let's go back for a second. So we've got these, which I guess are trend related. But again, going back to For You, where are my pins that I pinned? How do I see that now? Okay, so they're making changes. I see all of that. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I have to go in as my profile and see it from my profile perspective. Oh, okay. And then here I can see my most recent pins. Oh, some of these aren't doing so hot. They're not getting eyes on them. That means I need to look at my keywords, I think. Huh. Yeah, I mean, I'm getting a couple clicks here and there, but I'm not really getting the impressions that I used to get. So I think that I need to do a little bit of research into changes in the algorithm. It sounds like there have been some changes in the way Pinterest is doing things, as always happens. My guess is that Pinterest is switching to more of an AI than an algorithm, just the way that everything seems to be doing. And so I need to do some research into that and figure out how it works now so that I can get more visibility. And maybe once I do a little bit of that research, I'll come back here to you guys and tell you what I found. So I guess it's not really that there's so many changes. It just looked different when I came in here, but I think most of the differences is because of the fact that adding this merchant status, I think is most of the change. So, all right, so maybe false alarm. I don't know. The online tools for your business do not need to be complicated or overwhelming. It's time to let it be easy.